So what happens to me now?
Smart thing for us would be to get rid of you, don't you think?
But a man loves his mommy. He tries to do right by her. And it's truly Meshuggah. How can we not feel fondness for a man like that? What are you hoping for, Hank?
I want to go home.
Yeah. Things you've seen and done. It may be home. There's no room for you. What? A clear conscience is what you want?
You think you can have that, Hank?
I don't know.
Ik zei niks via kennis denken laten.
Bobby had een lief.
What we could do, we could give you 100 grand.
A little more.
Maybe a little more than 100 grand for services rendered. And you could run a long way on that much money.
And besides, you didn't mean to kill Russ. Maybe the police will believe you. Right? I mean, anyone could see you're not a real killer, Hank.
So you're doing me a mitzvah?
They're doing you a mitzvah. What happened to the lighter?
It's my fault.
Brother, it's Shabbos.
That's all right. Hank can light it for me. Yeah. Now you do me a mitzvah. Just pull the trigger. Easiest thing in the world. I didn't intend to steal it, I just near a light.
Brother, sei still. We're sorry about your girl.
You ran from us, Hank. You made us chase you. We had to let you know not to mess with us.
It's true. No one to blame but yourself.
Sad world.
Broken world.
What are you doing? Hey, slow down. I don't want to draw attention.
Easy, Hank.
Hey.
Slow down. Hank, slow down.
Hey, what are you doing, Hank?
Hey, slow down. We can sort this out.
Hey,
slow down, Hank. No,
Hey.
slow down. We shouldn't have let the guy drive.